Hey, my name's John Hicks, and today I'm going to teach you how to fix your Xbox 360. All repairs, it doesn't matter. I'm going to break it down on this table right here, and see what we got inside of it. And we're just going to fix, whatever we can find that's broken in it. So I'll be back. I'm going to put you right here. I'm going to be right back just to get my tools and stuff so I can start working on this beast. I'm going to tell you why I'm outside in a minute. Just stay right there, nice and cozy. And there you have it. Any further questions, just ask. Very simple, very easy to do.